subcompact crossover. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. Dito sa Mitsubishi Car World Pampanga. 2027 Mitsubishi X-Force GLX. Yung price, 1,119,000 pesos. Maganda yung design ng front fascia, futuristic na aggressive appearance. Full LED yung headlight with DRL. Wala nga lang fog light. Walang front camera. May under-engine cover na plastic. 17-inch alloy wheels. Naka-disc brake sa front and rear. Body color yung side mirror cover. Walang camera. Wala ring blind spot monitor. Okay lang yung ground clearance para sa ganitong subcompact crossover. Walang smart entry button. Check natin yung interior. Two-tone fabric seats. Manual seat adjustment sa driver. Same sa front passenger. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Soft leather naman sa armrest. Power window switch, pero driver window lang yung automatic. 3-spoke urethane steering wheel. Naka-electric power steering to, kaya magaan yung feel. Tilt and telescopic adjust tong steering column. Push start ignition. Analog pa rin yung gauge cluster with multi-info display. Pagdating sa visibility, okay naman, medyo mataas yung ride height. Kitang-kita pa rin yung hood. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. 8-inch infotainment screen. Single zone manual climate control. Maganda yung switch or control kahit na base model. Hindi katulad sa ibang base model na dial type. May 12-volt socket at 2 USB port. Yung transmission, CVT. Naka-electronic parking brake with auto hold. Padded leather yung center armrest. Check natin yung storage. Medyo malaki na rin yung storage space. Equipped ng air vent for cooling. Dampen yung glove box. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. Iset ko lang yung driver seat sa driving position ko. Check natin yung back seat. For reference lang, 5'7" yung height ko. Two-tone fabric seats. Sa door panel, hard plastic. Hard plastic din yung armrest. Power window switch. Nakaset na to sa driving position ko, yung legroom. Maluwag yung knee room, nasa 6 to 7 inches pa. Yung foot space, makakapag-stretch ka pa. Hindi nga lang flat yung floor, pero hindi naman sobrang taas ng hump. May AC vent at 2 USB port. Okay naman yung foot space sa middle seat. May allowance pang konti. Comfortable din yung seating position kasi hindi matigas yung upuan. Yung headroom, nasa 4 to 5 inches pa. Okay naman yung seating position, hindi siya upright or 90 degrees. Kasi reclining seat naman to. Check natin yung cargo space. Maganda yung design ng rear end, modern and premium styling. Full LED yung taillight. May reverse camera, parking sensor, manual yung tailgate na okay lang naman. Medyo malaki na rin yung storage space. Nandito sa underfloor storage yung spare tire. Hindi nga lang full size, pero okay na yan kesa sa wala. Check natin yung engine bay. 1.5 liter gasoline engine. Based sa engine specs, sakto lang yung power output para sa ganitong crossover. Pagdating sa fuel consumption, hintayin na lang natin mag-comment yung mga X-Force owner. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.